Happy New Year, you guys. It's January 2nd, y'all, Thursday, and right now it's 12:17, you guys. 12:17. I am going to work. I am on my way going at Walmart to start my shift, you guys. So my daughter had an appointment to go to get her hair done today, so I just dropped her like a few minutes ago. So I was like, you know what, let me go make some money, because I wasn't planning to work today at all. But since I already did most of my things at home, I'm like, you know what, let me go work for a few hours and see how much I can get. Thursday. Very slow day. I have been here for almost an hour, y'all. No order. They first gave me an order. It was a shopping order, and before I even started, they canceled it. So here, waiting for my next one. Yo, and I'm not even planning to work like for the rest of the day. Was only coming to work about like 3 to 4 hours, but it's super slow. So I'm gonna end up going home. I'm gonna end up going home with 0 order, yo, or 1 order. How about that? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Do you work full time, and whenever you come to work when it's so slow, you end up going home without any order? Comment down below, y'all. Let me know, because your girl, I don't think I ever come to work and I go home without even doing 1 order because of the slowness. I don't remember. I don't know. But yo, I need an order. I need at least to make $20. At least. Shoot, I don't want to go home without no order. No 1 order. But it's super slow. I don't know if it was like this since in the morning, but yo, I remember those days when it was like last 2 weeks ago, when it was too busy. When I see $11, I'm like, get out of here, and I'm gonna get a big order. But guess what? Right now we're about to be begging for those $11. Yo, it's been like an hour, no orders. Like nothing's popping in. It's that slow. But they finally gave me $11 going to Mayo. $11 going to Mayo, and I'm going to shop. It's a shopping order, shopping for 4 items. So I jumped on it, y'all. I jumped on it. I'm like, oh, let me take you. $11 to Mayo, shopping for 4 items. So let's go shop for it. Let's go. Yo, can you see that? My tire is getting low on pressure again. So I think it's time for me to go get it checked, because yo, the air keeps getting low and low. So I think I stepped on something. So I need to go get it checked ASAP. Yeah, because on Monday I added some air in. Monday I added air. Today is Thursday, right? Monday, and yeah, from last week, I don't remember which day last week, I added some air too. So definitely something wrong with the tire. So you guys, let me share this with you, because I know you guys know that I was paying for my car for my car note. So thank you to 2024. I am done paying for my car, you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited. That was my number one goal to complete in 2024. When we started 2024, you guys, I said I am going to pay this car off, and thank God I did it, y'all. Thank God I did it, and I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so thankful to God, y'all, and to Spark, because it made it happen. Spark really made it happen to pay my car off. So excited, and I can't wait for this year, you guys. I have been watching these videos about changing your life in 6 months, and I really want to do that. I really want to jump on that. I really want to take time, sit down, and think what area of my life that I need to change my life on, and go from there, y'all. Go from there. So let me do about 2 orders or 2 more orders, or 1, before I go get my tire checked, because it's getting low, and yeah. Okay, now we're talking $34, you guys. It's not a shopping order. I know I've been doing shopping order, because that's what they've been giving me. But today, I just received a curbside order. Just received a curbside. Oh my gosh. They just canceled it, y'all. There have been some recent changes to your trip. Yo, let me go check. Yo, what a mess. From $34, you guys, from $34 for 3 drop-off to $11 for 1 drop-off, and still 9 miles. No, I just canceled that order. I don't even know if I screenshot it before I even start talking. They're crazy. Anyway, let's sit here and wait. Yo, oh my gosh, I can't see me at all. Let me turn on the light. So I am back on the road, y'all. Right now it's 5:30. I am back on the road. So I think the last time I talked to you was at 3. Yeah, so I ended up going home, and my husband took the car to get it fixed, but they didn't fix it. Something happened, and yeah. So anyway, I am back on the road. I want to make at least $50, you guys, because I think I'd share with you where I took my daughter to get her hair done. So I want to make at least $50 to pay for her hair, to add on what I'm going to pay on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm back. So I'm gonna keep working until she called me to go pick her up. That's the plan right now, if nothing happens. So let's wait for our first order. So I just got an offer, like a beautiful offer, $31 for only 4 miles, and it's a pickup. It's a curbside order. But when I went to check, because I saw an apartment on there, and when I went to check on it, it's going 3B, and you have like 2 cases of water. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. It's going 3rd floor and have 2 cases of water and a lot of groceries. I'm like, no, let me cancel it and wait for another one. So look, guys, let's wait for a better offer. Yo, I think Spark has changed some stuff around, y'all. You know why I say that? Because since I canceled the order, it's been like almost 30 minutes now, and no offer has been coming, like popping in my phone. I'm like, wait a minute, are they punishing me? Is it that slow that there's not orders? I think they punish me, y'all. I think they punish me because you canceled the order. So yeah, we need to be careful. We need to be like, before you even like accept the order, we need to make sure that you really want to get this order, because I don't think they're that slow. Right, at 5? At 6? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I think it's punishment. They're trying to punish me because I canceled the order. Wow. Wow. I don't know what it is, but let me keep waiting. 7 o'clock, that's it. It's getting crazy. Like, it's getting slow. What are we gonna do, y'all? Multi-apping? Start multi-apping? Because this is crazy. At this time, and no offers at all? Wow, I'm super surprised. Holiday's over and people don't want to shop. People don't want to give us orders to go shop or to go drop. It is super how you say that word, slow. Yo, I might end up like she might end up calling me before I even get one offer. This is crazy. It's 6:20 right now. Oh my gosh. I hope tomorrow's gonna be a great day, y'all. Wow, this week has been slow. I can't believe, y'all. I can't believe how slow this week was. Ooh, she's calling me. Damn, my daughter is just calling me. Going to pick her up. So should I even post this video? Because I only did one order at 2. Only one order, and I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video. I will see if the video is over 5 minutes. Oh yes, I'm gonna post it. But if the video under 5 minutes, I don't think I'm gonna post this video because the whole day, the whole entire day, it's that. I mean, not the whole entire day. The whole video it's only one order that I did. It's only one order, yo, that I did in the whole video. So I think I'm gonna still post it if it's over 5 minutes. Because I don't know. Anyway, let me go pick up my daughter, you guys, and I'm gonna go home. It's 6:30 right now. You guys, let me know down in the comment below, how is Spark in your area? Is it dead like here? Because it looks like today it's been slow. I even asked my friend, you guys. She said you was slow in the morning because I didn't come in the morning. She said it was slow. So I don't know. Trying to let people cross. I get it though. It's after holidays. People spent a lot of money before holidays, so right now they don't have no money left. So let's give them at least 2 more weeks or 3 more weeks. It's gonna be all right. Let's give people time to make money again, you know, because their pocket right now is empty from this back-to-back holidays, y'all. So I guess in 3 weeks, 2 weeks to come, we're gonna start getting orders. Who knows? So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting this girl over here. Thank you. Bye.